Paris AFP multiple attacks which claimed at least 120 lives in Paris are the latest in a string of incidents in France this year with suspected links to radical Islam. January 7th to 9th. Two men armed with Kalashnikov rifles stormed the Paris offices of Charlie Hebdo, a weekly magazine known for satirical caricatures of Islam and other religions. They killed 12 people including 8 cartoonists and journalists as well as 2 police officers before fleeing. February 3rd. 3 soldiers guarding a Jewish community center in Nice on the French Riviera are attacked by a knife-wielding man. April 19th. Sid Ahmed Ghalam, an Algerian IT student, is arrested in Paris on suspicion of killing a woman who was found shot dead in the passenger seat of her car and of planning an attack on a church in the Paris suburb of Villejuif. June 26th, Yasin Salhi, 35, kills and beheads his boss Hervé Cornara and displays the severed head on the fence of a gas plant surrounded by Islamic flags. He tries to blow up the factory at Saint-Quentin-Falavier in southeast France but is arrested. July 13th. 4 young men aged 16 to 23, including a former soldier, are arrested on charges of planning an attack on a military camp to behead an officer in the name of jihad. They proclaim allegiance to Islamic State. August 21st. 2 off-duty US servicemen and a friend prevent a bloodbath on a high-speed Thalys train from Amsterdam to Paris, tackling a man who opened fire on passengers. November 10th. French authorities say they have arrested a 25-year-old man with links to an Islamic State jihadist in Syria over a plot to attack military personnel at a naval base.